guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to continue with part 3 of class 6 chapter 2. So let us continue. The basic work of vitamin is to fight against diseases. It also helps us to keep our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. There are different types of vitamins which are A, B, C, D, E and K. There are a group of vitamin B which is also known as vitamin B complex. Our body needs all types of vitamins in small quantities. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps us to fight against diseases. And vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Foods that are rich in vitamins are shown in figure 2.2 to 2.9. Now in vitamin A there are papaya, carrot, mango. In vitamin B, fish, liver, oil, rice, wheat, etc. Orange, tomato, guava, green chili, lemon, amla. In vitamin C and in vitamin D there is milk, butter, fish, egg, liver and many more. There is a basic need of sunlight in vitamin D. Minerals are needed by our body in small quantities. Each one is essential. Each one is important for us. Mineral is important for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. Some sources of different minerals are shown in figure 2.10. So let us see it. In figure 2.10, the first picture is of sources of iodine, which is ginger, rice, amla, fish, spinach. Some egg sources of phosphorus, which is milk, banana, green chili, wheat, bajra. Some sources of iron is apple, liver, pear, spinach. Some sources of calcium is milk and eggs. Now I have seen the table. However, in a given raw material, one particular nutrient may be present in large quantity than others. For example, in rice, what do we see in rice? Rice has more carbohydrates. Although it has all the nutrient present over here, but the highest quantity of nutrient is the carbohydrates. Besides these nutrients, our body needs dietary fiber and water. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Now what is roughage? Roughage is mainly provided by plants products in our body. Whole grains and pulses, potato, fresh fruits and vegetables are main source of roughage. जो वेस्ट मटेरियल हमारी बॉडी के अंदर है वो यूरिन के तौर पे, स्वेट के तौर पे हमारे बॉडी से निकलता है. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body but is essential. This helps our body get rid of undigested food. Water helps us to digest the food and absorb nutrient from food. It also helps us to throwing out some waste from our body as urine and sweat. We always drink cold drink, milk, tea. In addition, we add water in most of the cooked food. Why? Because of roughage taken out by the water. Now we will see activity 3. Take a tomato or a fruit like lemon, cut into small pieces. Do your hand get wet doing so? आपके हाथ गीले हो गए ये सब करने में. Carefully observe whenever vegetables and fruits are being cut, peeled, grated or mashed at your home. Do you find any fresh vegetables or fruit that do not contain some amount of water? We see that many fruit materials themselves contain water. Yes, to some extent our body needs are met by this water. Apart from this, we also add water while cooking many food items. While cooking, we also put some amount of water in it. Yes? Now let us see our balanced diet. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? जो हम सारा सही मात्रा में हम जो सामान लेते हैं अपनी बॉडी को ग्रो करने के लिए अगर वो एकदम सही हो तो हम उसे बैलेंस्ड डाइट कहते हैं. डू यू थिंक दैट people of all ages need same type of diet? Do you also think that what we need as a balanced diet would depend on amount of physical work that we do? The basic diet is depend on the exercise or we do, and when we eat high amount of fats in our body, it causes obesity. You must know it. Yes. Pulses, groundnut, soya beans, sprouted seeds, moong and Bengal gram ferments food. South Indian food such as idli, a combination of flours, mesi, roti, thepla made from cereals and pulses, banana, spinach, sattu, jaggery, available vegetables and other such food provide many nutrients. Which provide many nutrients? It is thepla made, cereals, pulses, banana, spinach, jaggery available and other food provide many nutrients. Therefore, one can eat a balanced diet without expensive food material. Paheli wonders whether animal food also contain all these components. Do they also have a balanced diet? Just tell me in the comment section. If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, it doesn't contain any of the nutrients. We know that cooking improves the taste of food. At the same time, cooking also results loss of contained nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amounts of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking and then thrown away. Yes, whenever we cook, we put some amount of water in it. Yes, so it may cause loss of nutrients. Vitamin C get easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Would it not be sensible to include some fruits and raw vegetables to our diet? Buju thought that fats would be the best food to eat. Yes, all the time a katori bowl of fat will give us more energy than a katori of carbohydrates food, isn't it? So he ate nothing but food rich in fats. Fried food like samosa, puri, snacks, malai, rabdi and pedha. Do you think that was right? No, it will cause obesity, I told you. Now let us proceed with deficiency diseases. A person may get enough food to eat. See, what is deficiency diseases? अगर हम कुछ खाना नहीं खाते हैं तो जो न्यूट्रिएंट का लॉस हो जाता है हमारे अंदर, उसे हम डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ कहते हैं, है ना. तो गाइस अब देखते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपना पार्ट 4. बाय बाय.